Hello everybody, my name is Alvaro Silva and today I'm going to show you what I did in my sprint number 6. As we discussed before, my team is working with the multiplayer mode of SkillCourt. So myself is working with the notification service. So I showed you in the previous video from previous sprint. We are implementing the Firebase cloud messaging to send notifications. I show you how to send it by the console using the unique instance ID that is unique for each device. So I show you how to send it by, to a single device using this ID token. Right now, as I say in the previous video, I was going to implement a Node.js server. So I created the server here in Node.js. So what it's going to do, this server is going to receive a post request. This server is going to be hosted in Heroku. Well, it's already hosted in Heroku. It's going to receive by HTTP protocols a post request. This post request is going to contain the unique instance ID of the device. So this is like the middle between between devices. A device is going to send by post request a unique ID token, the device who want to play against, and this server is going to receive that post request and is going to send the notification to the other device. So let me show you how this is implemented. I got this program that is named Postman. This is going to be receiving, it's going to simulate a post request. So we are here in the device open. So let me show you. I'm going to pass the token. Here's the token. And this is the variable token that is going to be sent by post request to my server, and this is the token from this device. So let me show you. It's gonna send this, and here is the notification. So the server is working. Now let's go to the app. I created for the app a new class that is gonna be named send notification by HTTP. This is going to take the ID token and is going to transform this in a JSON object. This JSON object is going to be passed to as a post request. The server is going to codify this JSON object and is going to extract the token and it's going to be sent, and is going to use it to send the notification to the device. So right now I just have one emulator. This one emulator is going the computer is just letting me to run the program in just one emulator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send by this device I'm going to send a post request to the same device. So let me show you an example. Well, let me review the code. In the code there is I open a HTTP connection to my server, that is this one, and I'm going to pass a post request with the JSON object that is going to contain the token, the unique ID instance from the device. So I changed some of the code, and in the multiplayer section we have this. In the challenge player, this button just is going to send just the ID token. In the next sprint we are going to implement this to accept a search for a player and going to send the notification. But right now it's just going to send a notification to the device, because we just have one emulator, it's going to send to the same device as we discussed. So let me show you. I click in challenge player and here is the notification service. What this is doing is sending a post request to the server, and this server is going to send the notification to the device. This is the target device, the same as the one that is sending the notification. This button is shown here. Is in the multiplayer entrance. As you can see, I send the send notification. I create a new object, and I'm going to use the method sending, and I'm going to pass the ID token of this device. For the next sprint, we are just going to implement that when you touch that button, it's going to open a a new window, a new interface, where you select the player that you want to play it against, and by this is going to go to the Firebase, is going to locate the user, is going to extract the instant ID of that device, and is going to pass to this method, and it's going to send the notification. So that's what I did in my sprint number 6, and thank you very much.